Hi and welcome to the show. Thank you so much for joining us here at Quick to Cook. My name's Elmira and we have a special guest today, Emma, who's going to show us a really quick, really fast dish that you can whip up at home. Isn't that right?
Absolutely. So we're going to cook this together. I'm so excited to share with you this dish, one of my favourites. It's a prawn and basil spaghettini. Spaghettini, it's like a thinner style spaghetti and it cooks quite quickly and it's nice and fine, and sometimes it's called angel hair pasta. So butterfly, it's a nice knife skill called butterflying, and what it is literally just cutting the prawn in half from head to tail. Just like that. Crunch down all the way through. A little bit of muscle.
Yep.
So here we go.
Wow. That's really warm, so make sure you step back when you do that one.
Eyebrows okay?
Yes.
Intact? So now to finish the dish, I've got the butterfly prawns. So I'll put 2 pieces per dish. And then I'm going to snip off some of the micro basil.
Oh wow, that is amazing.
Oh, delicious, if I might say so myself.
Thank you so much
Oh,
for
my
sharing this
pleasure.
with us today. Thank you so much for being with us and joining us at Quick to Cook. Make sure you join us next time.